Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren and today we are doing my homeware haul for July 2020. I've been shopping at B&M and Home Bargains, so let's get started with what I bought from B&M. So my first item is this lovely candle. So it is hexagonal, it's amber, musk and sandalwood, and it smells really good, and it was £2.50. I also bought it mainly because the glass jar after the candles burn is just beautiful, and I will definitely use that for something else in the future. The second thing is also you can put a candle in it, so it's this beautiful like terrarium. It's called honeycomb lantern, and that was £9.99. I'm gonna also maybe put like a plant, like a terrarium for succulents and things like that, so I might do that with it. Next are these glass bowls. I'm just gonna take the wrapper off. So these were £3 and they are really quite sweet. So they're meant for desserts, like summery, like eat a mess, can you imagine that in there? And also for like dips and crisps and things at a party, because I haven't got anything like that. So yes, I thought they were really nice. They're actually like etched on the edge as well, so they've got some texture to them. So you get 4 in a pack and they're £3. So some of the things I needed this month was storage. So boxes for my kitchen cabinets, because things keep like falling over and I wanted to separate things into certain areas. From B&M, I bought this large storage basket. So it is 35 by 29 by 22 centimetres. So that will fit in my 400 drawer unit this way on. That was £3 for that one. I just got the one because I'm not sure how many I'll need. I just wanted to try one out. Okay, so because I wanted storage, I also bought storage from Home Bargains. So we'll go on to my Home Bargains. So we'll go on to my Home Bargains shopping now. So I've got, they're all black, which is all fitting in. So I've got this storage basket. It's like hard plastic. So yeah, you can use it for anything, but I'm going to use it in my kitchen. It's got little handles on the side. And that was £2.50. Okay, my next is this. This is my last storage item. So it's a really nice wire basket. I could use this loads of places in my home, so I just thought it was really good. And for like larger, bulkier items. So this wire basket was £3.99. So last week when I was in, where am I in? So last week when I was in Home Bargains, I saw these little jars and I decided to buy them this week. So they are masonry jars. Let me show you a close-up of them. They do come in different colour lids as well, but I got these brassy gold ones because they go with most things that I have. They are proper mason jar tops as well, so you have the ring and the flat top. So what I'm going to do is use these like a wood jam jar. So if I've got flowers or anything like that, they're really nice for like a small little posy of flowers. And I got a larger one. I could use them for anything really. Storage in the kitchen, in the bathroom, makeup, anything like that. So the small one was 69p and the large one was 99p. Really good bargain there. I just think they're such good quality for that price. I also bought 2 of the smaller ones as well, so I could have them in a little triplet. The main reason I went to Home Bargains was for this. I've been wanting a fan for actually a few years. Never get round to it because it's always like, it's really hot, then I forget to buy one, or they sell out, and then it's cool again, I don't need one. So I thought I'd be ready this time in case we have any hot weather, and also it's going to last me years anyway, so I'll always have it on hand. It's just a simple white desk fan. It's got 3 settings. It was £11.99. They did do a standing up one as well, which I think was £14.99, but I would have to check that. It's just a really simple product, but I really needed it, so I'm ready for any hot summer days that want to come along. Please, that would be lovely. I was looking in the outdoor section this week and I came across this really sweet vase. So it's a botanical vase and it had it in 3 colours. I think they were pink and yellow, the other colours. It's got like a raised glass botanical pattern. yeah, it was in the garden section, which I didn't think it would be, like the seasonal bit. I guess for candles, putting outside, but I will use it anywhere. It's a really, really lovely colour as well. It was 99p for that. It's just amazing. It's amazing. So yeah, it's proper glass. Beautiful. While I was in that area, so the seasonal gardener area, I got some gardening gloves because I might fancy actually doing some work in my garden this week. So there's a 3-pack and they've got a really nice lemon pattern on them. They are like blue, white and yellow backgrounds. They are $2.99, so it's basically £1 per pair of gloves. They've got like a grippy side there, which you would expect from a gardening glove. Yeah, so I can't wait to actually get started and do some gardening work. Also in that area were these large ice cube trays, and this is one of the biggest ice cube trays I've seen, and like the ice cubes are really good size as well. So perfect for all those summer drinks and any parties that you have coming up. So really, really useful, huge tray. The ice cube tray, I just took out this packet and discovered that it has like a plastic hard tray, and then this bit bends. So you know when you're trying to get the ice cubes out, no problemo getting those out, because you can just fold it like this and they'll pop out, and then in the freezer it will stay nice and flat. Amazing, like game changer. People probably know about these, but it's news for me. And my last item are these really sweet, they're glass straws. I bought these for a present for my friend the other day, and I went back to get some for myself. They come in a little cute pouch. There we go. So really good with the ice cube tray that I've got. So I'm all ready for parties, cold drinks, and they do come with a little cleaner brush as well. So that is always useful as well, because some straws don't come with that. Yes, so really nice eco product as well, which sometimes you don't expect from places like Home Bargains to have like more eco style products. So I thought that was really, really good from them. And they are £2, so $1.99 for 4 straws and a cleaner. I just have to make sure I don't break them. That's all I have for you today. Happy shopping, stay safe while you're shopping. Make sure to let me know if you get any of these products, if you fancy buying them this weekend. Let me know in the comments down below, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see all my future hauls coming up. I'm planning to do one every month, and also watch my other content if you fancy something different. I am doing my home renovation up at the moment. I'm documenting all my projects and things that I'm doing with those videos too. So check them out if that's your type of thing to watch. Alright, thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye! That's it guys. Time for tea and relaxation. No, it's not. It's not it. I forgot something. Smell this candle for reassurance. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Out of my way. Get that out of my face. Oh look, you can see me. Hello.